Okay, so we've got a 2023 Mitsubishi ASX. It's an ES automatic, 5-door hatchback in black. It's only travelled 2,200 kilometres and just presents like brand new. Alloy wheels, tinted windows. Registered till June, under the Mitsubishi factory warranty. Just a great car all round, good tyres too. Obviously 2,200 kilometres only. 2 keys, cruise control, Bluetooth connect, dual airbags. And there's your kilometres there, 2,220. Big colour screen, Apple Carplay, Android Auto. Then you've got your air conditioning, automatic transmission. Interior seat trim is like new. Side airbags there as well, front passenger, logbooks. Check out the photos. And to show you inside the back seat there. All pretty much like new. All inquiries are welcome.